Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how reliable TransUnion's credit reporting system is. TransUnion is one of the three major credit bureaus in the United States, along with Equifax and Experian. They play a crucial role in our financial lives by collecting and selling data on our borrowing and spending habits. This information is then used to create credit reports and scores that lenders use to make decisions. But how reliable is the data in their system? The accuracy of TransUnion's system, and that of the other bureaus, depends heavily on the information they receive from creditors. Not all lenders report to all three bureaus, and even when they do, the information may not be updated at the same time. This can lead to discrepancies between your reports from different bureaus. Inaccuracies can also occur due to data entry errors, or if your information gets mixed up with someone else's, especially if you have a common name. There have been numerous legal challenges and consumer complaints regarding errors on credit reports and the difficulty of getting them corrected. However, TransUnion is obligated by law to investigate any disputes you file about inaccurate information on your report. You have the right to a free annual credit report from each of the three bureaus to check for errors. Regularly checking your reports is a crucial step in maintaining financial health and protecting yourself from identity theft. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.